me. I watch me like TV. Lifestyle flashy, don't try price taggy. New set of gears, design on me a rocket. Money enough up in a pocket, car top, we a drop it. Champagne in a hand, cock bust half like rocket.
I can't say me ever begin and I'm my style that mommy can't remote me a flap that. And yeah, me got my own money, yeah, me got that. And as we step in, every girl I feel like Jack can't chat to my face, only behind back. Some girl I walk for them on, just feel my mind, that's a no. Me don't depend on nobody, because me have me money. Yeah, tell me how to spend it, cause that's for me money. Don't depend on nobody, because me have me money. Yeah, tell me how to spend it, cause that's for me money. Independent girl, real number one trending girl. Me no dependent girl, have me own house, now fi both face girl. Independent girl, real number one trending girl. Me no dependent girl, have me own house, now fi both face girl. When I need chill, me jack on the hill up on my wrist, ice like a freeze, I'm just a straight. I'm like, I'm my education. Yeah, but yourself, my attitude stink like bacon. Cover me.
Yeah.
Man, they owe me from last week, you know, man. Yeah, you would. Yo, we kill some fucking boy up there. Yo, I'm just kill some. Them boy, no, please. Give me everything. Yeah. Yo, we just kill some. Ooh, yeah, boy, give me everything. When just come so.
6 out there. 6 out
understands his role in their offense, right? And they know exactly how to use him.
Irving double team. Dishes it to John.
I'm back.
Tonight, for the third time, he's 0 for 3. Stolen by
You ugly sons of bitches.
to the inside.
Yeah, y'all thought I was MIA? I'm back.
Durant in the corner.
Which boy?
Jesus Christ.
I can't mad him, mad.
Jesus Christ.
Bumba clad. A girl feelings in my car, you know? Girl feelings. Bumba clad. Bumba clad. Bumba clad. Bumba clad him, mad. The girl mad him.
Holy shit.
Out of nowhere.
Oh. Far out. Could be understatement of the year, that.
We are ramping. A big disrespect, you just want me to suck your man. Who is you? Who is you, pussy?
Yeah, he is.
Who is you? If you come this me out on the road, pussy. We are ramping right now.
Yo, watch it.
We are ramping. Where's phone?
Yo, lag off me, lag off me.
Where's phone?
Yo, lag off me.
Where's phone?
Oh yeah, try show me in front of my friend now.
What that me just do?
Yo, sir. Lag off me, lag off me.
Right, look at me hand.
Lag off for me,
Look at me hand now.
lag off for me.
Look at me hand, pussy. Easy yourself. What laugh with you? You feel like me a laugh with you?
Lag off for me.
Facebook here go on your fuck right now. Facebook is go on pussy. Look, and your face up on the live pussy. Tell her that blood clot. Oh, I mean, last time we take in this live, British brown and a brown out beat. I mean, sit down on him pussy hole and make you know how you run things.
Yeah, I may run blood clot.
I mean. I mean.
Yourself.
I mean. I sit down on him blood and squeeze it to it. You run blood clot. Lock off him blood clot. Shape say you run blood clot thing. Oh, I mean, weird pussy and still going in the same and get up. Sit down. But he why? Brother, sit down for your pussy and cry in your face.
You know, you could get out the cool and beat him. Don't cry.
Look at that guy, bro.
I mean.
Man, you want him never give away any want to. No, don't talk about that. Me not talk about that.
Slap him in the face. See, cut you on the browning. Box him in the blood clot face and shapes. I heard thing. Shot him hard ears as in a pussy. I can't hear brown after him come in a car and come in a car. Bomba hole.
You know, man, like him as some real bad man.
Bad man. Shot him a box in a blood clot. Browning, now you run thing. Sit down upon him blood
This
clot.
corner is mine now.
I am cut my box, browning, and make it over. Behave.
Sorry.
Behave. Browning, tell me, behave. I sit down upon him pussy hole. Oh, yeah, me. We need a week, we need a week. Yeah, you want to get up, I can't get up. A week. I am first I'm going to sit up for the brother never see. Yeah, I can't get up. Yeah. Watch out. Hotness. God Almighty. One more.
I said everything for everything one time. Don't call me. 34 so wait. You have a good video about it.
Slap up a bum buckler boy and I'm going to make a pussy and pin like it like it take a feeder.
I'm good now. Just lock off that.
Alright.
Yo, Bellevue ENT. You remember when we used to dream to live big?